In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 ways to promote your affiliate links on medium.com. All right, so let's get straight into it. All right, so I'll be using Impact Affiliate Program, which is one of my affiliate networks I promote. I promote Share a Sale, Digistore24, System.io, and a bunch of them. But the reason why I like Impact Affiliate Network, you can promote a lot of programs under Impact. All right, so to begin, so I'll go to Discover and my brand. So at the moment, I'm promoting InVideo AI, Namecheap, Canva, and Bluehost. I'll promote Canva. So to do so, I'll click on Assets. And there are a bunch of assets here or links that you can promote. But I want to promote the Canva Pro free for 30 days. I'll drop the link in the description box. You can try the Canva Pro for 30 days. And if you like it, you can subscribe. And they do offer discounts in the process. All right, so to promote it, let's say I want to promote this one, Canva Pro 30 days free. So I'll click on it and I'll go to tracking link. Then I'll copy this. All right. And the only thing I don't like is their link is too long, but that's okay. Then I'll click on copy tracking link. And normally I like to paste it, enter. This is the page. Next is to write a short personal article for my Medium audience. And with the Medium audience, the secret here is they like personal articles. All right, so that's exactly what I have done right here. And I'll paste the affiliate link just so I'll not lose it because I'll use it later on. So next, I have this hard copy and I got it from here. And the reason is I don't want to be switching back and forth. All right, that's why I pasted it here. And what I did is write less than 500 because I don't want a long article, something short. And this is exactly what I came out with because I want to go straight to the point. And then let me highlight the title. It's always good to know the product you are promoting or be passionate about, because with this, if I want to write, I can write a whole lot because I use this product. All right, but I want to make it short because you don't want people to be reading too much. You want to redirect them to the landing page, which is this one, to go sign up. All right, and by the way, if you want to sign up, just click one of these options and just sign up and try it. This is my title. I'll copy it, and like I said, you have to make it personal with Medium. Create a free Medium account. It's easy. And I'll click on write. I'll close this. Then I'll click inside the title here and I'll paste it. So this is my title, and right here, when I click inside tell your story, I would like to add an image which will stop people from scrolling. So to do so, I'll go back here. I'm showing you how the process to at least earn over $200 every month. Like I said, I use Canva all the time, and this is it right now. I tried the pro version way back, and now I've been on the pro version for years. So to create a thumbnail, you see create on top left, the plus, click on it, and thumbnail. So I'll click on thumbnail, even though this is not for YouTube. So these are the pro thumbnails, and because of the title, I'll show you something quickly. I tried Canva Pro for 30 days and this happened. You have to select a template with a surprise or happy face, and most of the time something with a little smile on it, it's good. All right, so let's say I'll go for this, and by the way, this one is nice and cool. I don't know if I'll go with this, but let me see if I can find something. I want something nice and professional. All right, so I will undo this. I will undo. Oh, then go back to template, design, and scroll down. All right, I'll go for this one. I like this facial expression on it. And so I'll go back to the title, Canva Pro free for 30 days. So let's go back. So I'll click here and I will change this to Pro. All right, like this, free. And I'll minimize this and I'll move it over a bit underneath. Canva Pro free, and I'll write 38. All right, so I'll try and add effect. All right, scroll down or outline. So this is white, so let's see. All right, I'll go for this, and instead of yellow, I'll go for green. These are things you have to be playing with, and I'll change the effect. Scroll down, outline. I'll change it's too white. I'll go for this. And also I'll add the Canva logo in the middle right here. So I'll go to element and type Canva, enter. So in your case, it might be different thing. So it might be different product, but just follow the steps and do exactly what I'm doing for your product. All right, so then I need to optimize the image before download. So I'll go to Canva again. I'll just copy this, or I'll say Canva Pro 30 days. Go back here and I'll print it. All right, because I'm using the Pro version, this is how much I'm saving on this particular design, $11.12. All right, so click download. That's why it's always good to use the Pro version. All right, so it's downloading, and then I'll move over here and click on this, click on the plus sign, and you see I'll click on add image. If not, you can browse from Unsplash, then just type, let's say, money, then enter. You see money. Then when you select, let's say I'll select this one, guess what, this is how it's gonna look like, but I don't want that, so I will delete, and I'll click on the plus again. You can upload video or a code or embed a code and stuff like that. All right, so I'll add an image. So click on the plus sign, click on this element, and this is it. I'll click on it and open. Bam, it looks nice. This will stop people from scrolling. All right, so now I need to add my text. So I'll go back and copy everything, right click, copy. Now with this website, with medium.com, they don't like AI written articles. You can, but it has to be 10% or maximum 15% to make it okay. I would say 5 to 10%, and also you have to issue a disclaimer. I think they want it on top, but also you can drop it below, because when you issue on top, I think sometimes it might discourage people from reading. All right, now because of that, I try to write articles myself, so I'll prove it to you. All right, so I use this AI checker. It's called Originality AI, and I'll use it to check my article. So I'll go back again, sorry, go up. All right, so I'll copy from here all the way down, Control C or right click and copy, go back here, click on top, right click and paste as plain text. When you do that, it doesn't mess up anything. All right, and each check, you can check 750 words. All right, but this is about 290. You need about 600 to rank on Google, but I don't really care much because Medium has a high domain authority, so I'm okay. I've seen 200 words article ranking before, so it's all right. Then I'll click on scan now. All right, I have an account, but they want me to, but I don't want to use it. All right, so as you can tell, it says we are 99% confident that text is original. All right, so with this, I don't have to issue any disclaimer, and Medium will be happy about this article. So I'll right click and paste as plain text. See, when you paste as plain text, everything looks good on it. See, it's gonna be exactly the way it is. All right, and so this is the disclosure. And first thing first, before I edit anything here, I would like to go back to my affiliate link, which I copied from here. So I'll go back. Remember, I told you I will need it, so this is it, just so I will not be going back and forth. Then I'll go back to my article, and right here you can start your 30-day Canva Pro trial by clicking here. So what I'll do, normally I like to create italics and bold, just so it's gonna stand. And also you can just issue this sign, you can add this sign, and I like to add it on the other side too. This will make it stand out. Then I'll highlight everything all the way to here, and I'll click on this link. I'll click on the link and drop the affiliate link and click enter on your keypad. All right, and as you can tell, the affiliate link is there and it's highlighted. Let me highlight and bold. See, it's bold. You can use emojis, so this is also good. It's up to you. And then I'll click enter, click beside the link and click enter, and I'll click here and I'll click on the plus sign and click on add a new part, just so it's gonna divide the line before my disclaimer. And I issue the italics just to make a difference. Now, I have issued a disclaimer here. This article contains an affiliate link. I prefer to add one link because with this platform, if you add too much affiliate links, they will just kick you out. I like doing this thing as well, just to make it clean and it's more attractive like this. All right, so I'll go up to see if I'm missing something. All right, so here I'll say, just to name a few. Actually, let me just push it down. So now I'll go up. You can do stuff just to make it stand out. So let me try and find something. So let's say I'll highlight here and I'll click here, like something like this. Let's see, I'll highlight this and I'll click this. You can click here to drop the C or just undo, and also you can double click this and click again to drop this. All right, so this is good. So you can add some fancy cool stuff to this. Before I publish it, this is one way to promote your link here, but also you can drop opt-in page or landing page to capture email addresses before you give access to the link you are promoting. All right, but with that, you don't need to issue a disclaimer. And when everything is done, the next thing to do, all right, so one thing I forgot to do, I'll highlight this and I'll bold it, and all the airlines, I'll bold them, which is good. And I'll tell you why I'm doing this now, because I want to take out these check signs. I want to take them out. Because with medium.com, you have to make sure everything is clean. You don't want too much fancy stuff. All right, so this is good. So next I'll click on publish. So now I need to add tags. So tags, how many tags I'll add? So first I'll say Canva Pro free. All right, then Canva, and what else? Graphic design. So this will attract graphic designers. And I will say writing has a lot, and blogging. Oh, I think content creation too is good. So I'll take off this and I'll say content creation. I'll use content creation instead of other one. All right, so paywall your story, because I earn on this platform. When people read my articles, I earn money as well. And also send a link to your email addresses, your email subscribers. So I'll keep it the way it is, but if I don't want it to be on the paywall, I'll just check this off. Then I'll click publish and send now. The reason why I don't want it to be on the paywall, all right, so I can copy this link and just promote it on other networks. Now, as you can tell, it's just 2 minutes. The reason why I don't want to add it to paywall is that with the paywall, the medium.com editors, they are a bit strict, because once this is published like this, the medium editors have to check it to blast it so that more audience will get access to it, to the right audience. But if you have some affiliate link and all these things, sometimes they can be a bit strict, because I have this affiliate link attached to it because of this disclosure here and the link right here. And guess what? Even though I'll make money, but the money I will make from this affiliate link is better than what I'll earn on medium.com, because one sign up and earn me a good money. But that's just by the way. Later on, if I change my mind, I can come back here, click on the menu, and I can go to edit and add it. But for now, I want it to just go. And with this tool, it can easily rank on Google, like I said, because medium.com has high domain authority, and that's a good thing. But if Medium themselves are not pushing your article, it wouldn't go anywhere. That's why I don't want to add it to the paywall. Anyhow, this is the best way to promote your affiliate link for free on medium.com. One is to add the affiliate link like this, and two is to create a landing page and drop the link here. With that one, we say, please click here to access the page. Then before they access, they have to enter their email addresses for future promotion. So even if they don't subscribe to Canva, you can promote related product later on, because the money is in the list. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.